And we are now getting you details of Digvijay Singh's first reaction on his X post, where he's gone on to say that I praise the RSS, not Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Digvijay Singh has said that I have said what I had to say. He's reiterated power decentralization is needed. Digvijay Singh heaping praises on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he said that they have strengthened the grassroots. Digvijay Singh's cryptic post that is still putting out very many meanings, and while it is open to interpretation, he's heaped praises on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. However, his first response to his expose has come after much speculation on what exactly he meant. Why is it that he's taken such a turn? And he said that he has praised RSS and not Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He said, I've said what I had to say. He's reiterated power decentralization is needed. Let's listen in to that latest reaction.
मैं संगठन का पक्षधर हूँ, आरएसएस और मोदी जी का विरोधी हूँ। तो आपको गलत फहमी है। मैंने तारीफ की है संगठन की। मैं आरएसएस और मोदी जी का घोर विरोधी हूँ। मैंने संगठन की तारीफ की है और मैं आरएसएस का और मोदी जी का, उनकी नीतियों का घोर विरोधी था, हूँ और रहूंगा। जो मुझे कहना था मैंने CWC की बैठक में कह दिया। If you see my tenure as Chief Minister, if you see my tenure as a PCC President, I have functioned only through a decentralized manner.
What is one to make of this statement from Digvijay Singh, especially after the post that he had put out that was giving very different hints altogether? Him in praises of the RSS of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now he says, I strongly stand in dissent, but I say decentralization is needed. How are you reading into it?
If you read between the lines of what Digvijay Singh has posted, he clearly is trying to say that, the BJP, you can be a grassroots worker and become the CM and PM of the country. And he goes on to say that at a time when the Congress Working Committee is meeting, thereby saying, that he's gone on to elaborate also that how he's been a staunch, opponent of the Prime Minister and the RSS and has criticized the RSS many a times. So clearly saying that, here is an opponent where, grassroots workers and ground workers are given importance. They can rise from the rank and file and reach the top brass of not only the party but also of the government in power of the day. So clearly there is much to see where the Congress is heading as far as, decentralization of power is concerned. Now, naturally, when it came at a time when the Congress Working Committee was happening, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's flashback photo right there with Mr. Advani, he's sitting on the ground. Thereby, there were meanings taken out of whether Digvijay Singh was hinting at the organization of the Congress Party, critiquing the organization of the Congress Party or the organization General Secretary. What he really meant by saying that all is not well, whether all is not well in the Congress, and that's why he put out that post so that there could be a discussion further on as far as strengthening the organization.
But that also means, Maushmi, that it is a direct attack on the Congress leadership, really, to say that here the Gandhis are supreme. No matter how good one may be or how hardworking one may be in the Congress, one can never reach the top. Is that the clear message?
Clearly, what he's trying to say is the power structure as it is right now in the Congress, the organizational strength, and as far as, the state units are concerned and the chronology in terms of the flow of power, it has to be spread out. That's what, if you see the post he's pinned on his X account, where he talks about decentralization of power, and there is a lot of talk behind the scenes within the Congress party about having more working presidents, of having a more democratic setup where, you know, there is a free flow of communication between the rank and file and the top leaders, which is right now stagnant, and a lot to learn from the BJP perhaps is what Digvijay Singh is trying to say by putting out that post, that this is your opponent who's constantly innovating, who's constantly giving importance to workers, and the Congress party has closed its doors to the workers of the Congress, who are actually the heartbeat and the soul of the Congress. So somewhere, you know, yet again Digvijay Singh can only explain what he really meant by putting out that tweet, and about another tweet where he says that Rahul Gandhi should also focus on the organization is also very telling, and it just gives those whispers in the Congress quarters more strength that there is a need for an entire rejig in the party.
All right, we wait and watch whether Congress is listening this time around, despite the very many hints that have been put out by prominent leaders within the Congress time and again. Meanwhile, this latest response from Sudhanshu Trivedi. Let's listen in.
दिग्विजय सिंह जी को भी अब वो बहुत वरिष्ठ हो गए हैं, राजनीति को उन्होंने देखा है, तो इस रूप में जाके हो सकता है उन्हें इस बात का एहसास हो रहा हो, क्योंकि हमारे श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी गुदड़ी के लाल हैं और उनका नेतृत्व जवाहर के लाल जी से है, तो वो अप साइड डाउन है, इसलिए अपनी पार्टी को अप साइड डाउन लेके आए हैं। हमारे नरेंद्र मोदी जी गुदड़ी के लाल हैं, वो बॉटम से अप उठे हैं, तो पार्टी को भी बॉटम से अप करके ऊपर तक ले जा रहे हैं।